Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best floating dock hardware kits available on the market. Whether you're a marine enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your dock setup, this product promises durability, ease of installation, and robust performance. This floating dock hardware kit from JYINCPED is engineered for heavy-duty use. Constructed from marine-grade, 1x4-inch thick, hot-dipped galvanized steel. It features male and female T-style connectors along with a sturdy 5x3 to 1x2 backer plate, ensuring rust-proof reliability in both freshwater and marine environments. Designed to securely attach docks and ramps while allowing flexibility with its hinge mechanism. This kit facilitates smooth movement and stability. Made from iron, this kit is built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting service. It fits 2x8 and larger lumber, with universal hole placements for easy installation using 3x8 carriage bolts. The kit is designed for straightforward assembly, with clear instructions for quick setup and detachment as needed. Ideal for various dock configurations, from straight runs to corners, ensuring stability and safety. The galvanized steel construction ensures resistance to rust and corrosion, making it suitable for prolonged exposure to water. Enables smooth hinge action, allowing docks to adapt to changing water levels and conditions effortlessly. With its robust build and ease of use, it offers excellent value for money compared to other options on the market. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install floating dock hardware kit, look no further than this offering from JYINCPED. Whether you're upgrading an existing dock or building a new one, this kit promises to deliver on performance and longevity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you next time on Product Critique.